Hi everyone, welcome back to the Jodoo Masterclass series. As we all know, in a workflow, one or several persons will be in charge of each task node. Today, we are diving into auto-assign. Specifically, the approver or approvers are not fixed in workflow designing. Instead, they are chosen during workflow proceeding, which means the approver or approvers may change automatically in different situations. The essence of auto-assign lies in creating a member field in advance in the workflow. The submitter filled this member field in one node. Then as the workflow proceeds, this member will be the node approver of the flowing task nodes. Next, let's see how to set it up. For instance, in this vehicle application workflow form, the application needs to be reviewed twice, firstly by the department head of the applicant, secondly by a member of the administration department. In the designing page of this workflow form, drag and drop a member field and put it below the first round divider. Change its name into choose the first round reviewer. As for the setting of second round reviewer, we need to set its scope. Put a member field below the second round divider. In the right panel, find available options, choose custom, and set it into administration department. Change this field's name into choose the second round reviewer and click Save. Then we enter into the workflow page. Click on the Start node and set its field permissions. The submitter needs to view and set the first round approver, so here we tick the View and Edit boxes of Choose the first round reviewer. Next, click on the first task node. In Node Approver setting, we select Auto Assign, click Member field, and select Choose the first round reviewer. As for the permissions of the first task node, it needs to not only finish the first round review, but assign the approver of the next node. So do not forget to tick the View and Edit boxes of Choose the second round reviewer. Lastly, click on the second task node. In Node Approver setting, we select Auto Assign, click Member field, and select Choose the second round reviewer. As for the permissions of the second task node, it only needs offer the final approval. So we tick the View boxes of first round review and its result, as well as the View and Edit boxes of second round review. Let's see how this works in an actual use case. Let's say Erica initiates a vehicle application and select her department head Jodoo official the first round approver. And now we can see the workflow is on the first task node, waiting for Jodoo official's approval. We click Approve and select Lynn of the administration department as the second round approver. Then the workflow proceeds to the second task node, waiting for Lynn's approval. Click Approve, and now we can see the workflow is completed. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to auto-assign approvers in a workflow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video clip. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.